Hi, I'm Chelsea Lipford-Wolf, and this video about making a privacy panel to hide your AC unit is brought to you by Exmark, the makers of professional mowing equipment. So you're hanging out on your deck, enjoying your friends, the fresh air, maybe a glass of wine, and you turn your head just a little, and there's your ugly air conditioning condenser unit just sitting there. Well, you can't just pick it up and move it around the corner, so what's a girl to do? Well, you build a screen to hide it, of course. Depending on your situation, you may need to cover 1, 2, or 3 sides of the unit. Here I'm building 2 sides to screen it from the deck and from the yard. Regardless of how many sides, you want to leave a couple of feet between the screen and the AC unit to allow room for maintenance and ensure good airflow. We'll need a 4x4 at each corner, so I'm cutting 3 of them at 4 feet long. 1 foot to go in the ground and 3 feet above to support the screen. Just be sure to look out for any wires, pipes, or termite bait stations as you're digging the hole for each post. Even though these panels aren't a big structural load, it's still a good idea to anchor the post with some concrete to keep them perfectly plumb. To create a checkerboard style pattern with lattice strips, start with the horizontal slats. Measure from the outside edge of one 4x4 to the outside edge of the other. Cut your strips to size. Determine how big you want your pattern to be. The smaller the pattern, the more screening provided. After attaching the top piece, use a piece of scrap wood as a spacer block before attaching the next strip. Next, measure from the top strip to the bottom of the bottom strip. This will be the length of your vertical pieces. Flush the first one with your 4x4 and use your spacer block again to carry the vertical strips all the way across. Once your screen is complete, you can paint it or stain it. Or to help it blend in with your landscape, you can plant climbing vines like ivy or jasmine and let it grow over your screen for some greenery. You can even create this screen on a larger scale to give you a little more privacy for your deck or patio. Be sure to click on the exmark.com/backyard link below, which will give you access to other useful videos.